Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add PayPal payment gateway in your WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website. Now I want to add PayPal. So after website name add /wp-admin to log in into website. Now here you can see username and password. Then click on login button. After that, make sure that you have installed WooCommerce plugin. Here you can see this one. Now scroll down and you need to install a plugin. And here you can search for PayPal. So these are all the free plugins that you can find out in WordPress plugin library. So now you can scroll down and here you can see the plugin ratings. So you can compare these plugins. So make sure that you're installing this one. And here you can see 80,000 plus active installations with 5-star rating. So now activate it. Scroll down, then click on cross button, then click on settings. Now scroll down and here you can see sandbox, that is for the testing purpose. Production is for the live payment. After that, here you can see the button, just you need to click here. After that you will be redirected to the paypal.com. So this is PayPal official website. Make sure that you need to log in into your PayPal and after that it will be connected. Other option is you need to log in into your PayPal account, then you need to get client ID and secret ID. After that scroll down, here you need to add webhook ID. So I think this above method is the easiest way to connect PayPal in your website. Then scroll down and click on save changes. In this way you can easily add PayPal payment gateway in your WordPress website. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.